Recently, a rumor has surfaced around the web that Nikon plans to launch an updated version of the notorious Z50 with better autofocus and a Type-C port. It's particularly interesting that they're considering the Z-mount APS-C sensor once again, so what are the specs and does this news have any authenticity to it? Let's find out. When the Z50 was first introduced in the fall of 2019, it received criticism from photographers and gear reviewers. Now, this was not because the camera lacked capability, but rather because the available lenses were limited to expensive full-frame options and slow kit zooms. Sigma also expressed interest in the system during that time. However, 3 months later, Nikon improved the situation by launching its own DX24mm f-stop 1.7 lens, which was lighter, more compact, and more affordable than Sigma's offering. These advantages apply not only to the Z50 but also to Nikon's other two current DXZ mount cameras, the Z30 and Z50, as they all share the same 20.9-megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor. Now, the latest information suggests that Nikon's upcoming DX camera, the Z50 Mark II, is set to be released in the first quarter of 2024, assuming everything stays on schedule. This is earlier than the previously anticipated timeline of June to October 2024 for the announcement of the Nikon Z52 camera. Given the reception of the original Z50, is there anything worth waiting for? Did you know that 73% of visitors are more likely to make their purchases soon after watching a product video? This makes it necessary to have a product demonstration or promo video for showcasing your product's potential values and benefits. At Product Video Studio, we are equipped with camera gear, tools, and most importantly, expertise to make your video captivating and engaging. Just send your products and we'll handle the rest. Contact us today to create something amazing together. Thankfully, Nikon heeded the feedback and implemented substantial operational and algorithmic adjustments to address the criticisms. Ongoing software updates with the latest Z50 firmware released in just 2 months ago are ensuring that the Z-mount remains competitive in comparison to other mirrorless options. In the upcoming version, a substantial improvement in autofocus capabilities and enhanced video recording specifications are anticipated based on initial hints. This camera isn't exclusively designed for photographers like its predecessor, the Nikon Z50, but is also geared towards meeting the needs of content creators and cinematographers. These are all just pure speculation, but it seems likely that Nikon will release some sort of update for the Z50. The camera has been around for 4 years now, indicating that Nikon may need to make some updates to their APS-C lineup. It's unclear whether the Z50 was a significant upgrade or just the same camera in a different design. Additionally, their entire entry and mid-level FX lineup is also becoming outdated. A few suggestions come to mind: improving the controls and incorporating a larger electronic viewfinder, and I just might be interested. Considering the availability of excellent lenses, thoughts naturally drift towards what one might desire in the next camera companion. Features like an autofocus joystick, in-body image stabilization, and improved battery life all sound appealing. If you use a DXZ mount body, what improvements would you like to see in the future DXZ mount cameras? Share with us in the comments section down below and consider subscribing for more content like this, and as always, thanks for watching.